Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled NGC 7635, the Bubble Nebula. So, what do we see here? Well, here we see a bubble in space, and not like a bubble that we have on Earth, but a bubble of gas. Now, we see lots of nebulae like this that can be associated with a couple different things. Some of them are associated with the end of the life of a star when it expels out its outer layers. Others are associated with young stars that are forming and can be unstable and can also push off material. In this case, we are looking at a very hot, massive star, maybe 20 times the mass of our sun. And it is so intense that it can push out material and spread. Its intense stellar winds will push material out into the interstellar medium. As that material strikes other gases there, it can then glow, and that's what we're seeing in the bubble itself. So it's not a solid bubble, it's just a bubble of gases that is being pushed away. And we're seeing the concentration where those intersect with the rest of the gas around that star. Now, this is also a very large bubble. When we look at scales out in the sky, we're seeing very large distances here. So even looking at this bubble here, it would be about 10 light years in diameter. That means if you imagine our sun at the center of this bubble, the nearest star would be toward the outer edge. That's how large the bubble is. Now, an object like this would not be easily seen through a telescope. It's very faint and therefore would be hard to pick up. But long exposures such as this one can bring out the detail and can let us kind of see the structures within the interstellar medium. We notice immediately that the bubble is not completely symmetrical, that it seems to stretch out further in some directions and less in others. That's telling us about the density of the interstellar medium around it. Where there's less dense material, the bubble moves out farther, the gases move out, and that will deform it. And we can kind of see that towards the bottom where it bulges out a little bit. Other areas where it's denser, we see brighter and we see more shock waves as the gases try to push through the extra material in the interstellar medium. Now, eventually, this material will just dissipate into the rest of the gases around there and could still be part of forming new stars. And star formation continues here. As you look around, you'll see a bunch of tendrils around the edge in the red pointing in toward this star. Those are still star-forming regions. At each of those peaks would be a young star just starting to form. We don't see it yet because it's still surrounded by lots of gas and dust that block out the light and keep us from being able to see it. Eventually, these will become new stars as well and will be visible as the star formation process goes on. But for this one, we get to see the Bubble Nebula, that one quick stage within the formation of the star, where we see gases pushed away by the radiation pressure and stellar wind from a very hot young star. So that was our picture of the day, titled NGC 7635, the Bubble Nebula. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Volcanic Connection. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.